In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a user flow diagram in Confluence using draw.io. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a clear visual user journey that your team can edit and collaborate on directly inside Confluence. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add your user flow diagram and click Edit. Place your cursor where you'd like the diagram to appear. Type draw.io and select the draw.io diagram macro. If draw.io is installed on your Confluence site, the diagram editor will open. Click Create New Diagram. Give your diagram a descriptive name and choose either a flowchart template or start with a blank diagram. In the editor, drag flowchart shapes onto the canvas. Use rectangles for screens or actions, diamonds for decision points, and connect everything with arrows to show the user's path. Double-click each shape to add labels such as home page, sign in, dashboard, or checkout. Arrange the shapes so the flow is easy to follow, then customize colors, connectors, and text if needed. When you're finished, click Save to insert the diagram into your Confluence page. Finally, click Publish or Update to save the page. Your draw.io user flow diagram will now be embedded in Confluence, where teammates can open and edit it whenever needed. That's how to create a user flow diagram in Confluence with draw.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.